Scott from SMARTKITS Australia, and right now we are going to run a little video with regards to showing you how powerful our design and engineering software is that we use, and gives us the ability to come up with the perfect design and the perfect application, and also a little bit about what we have with regards to our 3D modeling capacity within that software too. So if you can see my mouse here, you can see the shape of a structure that we've created in our design and engineering software. And the beautiful thing about this package is that it actually tells us which things are working and which things aren't working in the design. So as you can see here, these red lines, these represent beams in the roof. This is a post, a post, a post, another post, and a post, downpipes, and the individual roof sheets here. So we've created a shape, we've inserted the structure that we require to hold the roof up, and our software will tell us if there's anything wrong with the actual design itself as well. Now, just skipping through that quickly at the moment to show you this capacity that we have to 3D model this. So although we're looking at a bird's eye view of the roof here, looking at it from above and down, what I can do is I can also add this structure into a photo. So if we've got a photo of your property, we can actually put this structure onto your photo. Now, obviously, the photos have got to be a particular angle and a particular way for this to work really well. But this is a super handy tool for allowing us to show and represent how we can make this sit on your house. And this is obviously visualization really helps people understand what we're trying to do here as well. So you can see I've got a photo of a house here. It's very much just a blank wall right now. And what I can do is I can move the structure around to create a little bit of perspective here. A little bit of perspective. Now, this roof is actually not the roof that's been designed for this house. I've just used this as an example to try and show everyone what we do here. And as you can see, if we've got the right photo and the right application, we can really, really represent what's happening on site here with our proposed design. Now, in reality, this roof here with this house floor level being at this point, we would be putting a deck under there, or the customer would have a deck there, you'd build a deck there, and we'd supply the roof to go over the structure. So pretty powerful tool for representation of what's actually going to happen on site. And we can turn this sideways, turn it upside down, around and round, inside out, which is great for being able to see what's going on there. So as you can imagine, if we've got a photo of your house from a side perspective, we can put the roof on the side of the house. Lots of things we can do with it. All of these are great tools to help you better visualize what's going on, and also to understand how what we propose to do is going to work exactly on your property, so that you've got the best idea about how to make it work. So yeah, just a really quick example of the power of the software that we have. And at SMARTKITS, we have been quoting these type of structures on houses like yours for many, many years. We're a building company by nature. So for us, we take the perspective of looking at your home and creating an option that's going to be perfectly suited for you to be able to build the structure with the least amount of issues or complications or problems, because we are really, really good at preempting those things, and that's the kind of personal service that we offer here. So, just an example of our 3D modelling software. Hope this helps you understand what we do in-house here to help achieve the absolute very best outcome for you in every single application. Stay tuned in future videos. We're going to show you how our engineering works, so that when we've designed a structure like this, for example, we can tell you exactly what load is on each and every beam, how far our roof sheets are spanning and what their percentage capacity is, and also our posts and attachments. All of these things give us accurate answers. There's no guesswork here. Everything's computer modeled and engineered accordingly to make sure that you get a structure that's suitable for the application, and that you can sit back and enjoy it for as long as possible without ever having to worry about the integrity of what's been supplied and what you've built yourself. Have a great day.